Selecting a drawing. Select option is used to select a complete drawing or part of a drawing. You use it to move your drawing or part of it from one place to another. To select the drawing or a part of it, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the down arrow under Select option in the Image group. Step 2. Select tool has many options. Choose any one. A. Rectangular selection. Selects a rectangular or square part of the drawing. Select this option and drag diagonally over the area to select. B. Freeform selection. Selects irregular part of the drawing. Select this option and drag freehand over the area to select. C. Select all. Selects the entire drawing. D. Delete. Deletes the selected object or part of the drawing. Step 3. A dashed rectangular selection box appears around the selected object.